Is dropshipping even worth it in Australia? Honestly, the simple answer is yeah, of course. But only if you do it the right way. So in this video, I'm bringing down everything that you need to know to launch your dropshipping hustle over in Australia without wasting any money, any time, or accidentally catching a fine from the ATO. Now, I'll tell you exactly what the ATO is later, but here's what we're going to be covering. Why Australia is currently slept on, what legal stuff you actually need to know, what kinds of products Aussies actually buy, and where to get fast shipping suppliers. Oh, and also how to set up a storefront that runs itself pretty much while you're at the beach chilling with, I don't know, I guess the koalas. So let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, so check it out. Most people talk about dropshipping in the US, in the UK, or in Canada. But here's the thing. Australia right now is pretty slept on. There's a lot fewer sellers there, which equals less competition. But the buyers, they're still there. Aussies are spending billions every year online. And with how spread out the country is, online shopping is way more convenient than driving to some far off shopping center. Plus, and this is a big one, if you use any local suppliers, your shipping times are like 2 to 5 days. Compare that to maybe 2 weeks from China. Bro, it's not even close. So faster delivery equals fewer refunds, which equals better reviews, which equals more sales. Simple math. And you're not just limited to selling in Australia. You can be anywhere in the world dropshipping to Australia. So whether you're from Sydney or Cincinnati, this game works for you. All right, let's clear the air real quick and talk about the legality of dropshipping in Australia. Is it legal? Yeah, 100% legal. But just like anything else, there's rules. And here's what you need to know. For one, there's an ABN. That's your Australian business number. The good thing is that it's free and it's fast, and you can get it from the Australian Business Register. Think of it kind of like your official I'm a legit business now stamp, I guess. Then you have to look into your GST. So once your revenue hits about 75,000 Australian dollars in a year, you have to register for GST, the goods and services tax. It's a 10% tax that's added to most of the stuff that you sell. Now, your customers, they're the ones that pay it, and then you pass it on to the government. You can even claim GST credits back in some of your different business expenses. So yeah, don't be scared of it, just stay on top of it. Now, the big one, the Australian Consumer Law. This is extremely important. You can't be shady. If someone gets a broken or faulty item, you absolutely have to replace it, fix it, or refund it. You're not allowed to say no returns or all sales are final. That itself is illegal. You're also responsible for making sure that whatever you sell is safe and it matches the description. The moral of the story here is honestly just be honest, don't sell junk, and take care of your customers. Long term, it'll make you a lot more money anyway. Now, let's talk products, because this is where people really mess up. The key is to sell stuff that people in Australia are actually searching for, not just what's trending in the US or in Canada or in the UK. Here's some of the hottest niches right now in the Australian market. For one, you have the home and garden niche. Think outdoor lights, plant stuff, backyard organizers. Then you have beauty and personal care, skincare tools, hair curlers, lash kits, stuff like that. Now this other one is also pretty big, camping and outdoor gear. Think about solar lights, portable showers, hammocks. You know, Aussies love the outdoors. Then you have pet products, dog seat covers, cat fountains, and different types of enrichment toys. Toys that keep our pets busy. Then we have baby and kids, storage bins, mess-free toys, stuff that pretty much solves daily problems, fitness and wellness, massage guns, yoga accessories, home gym gear, and one niche that's actually pretty slept on that a lot of people don't talk about, organizational stuff, storage bins, cable managers, drawer dividers, all of that satisfying TikTok style stuff or TikTok style gear. Oh, and an extra tip, make sure you check out AutoDS's product research tool. There you can filter by products that are already selling in Australia and shipping from Australia to Australia. No guessing, just winning and trending products. Now, let's say you've got your niche down. Now, where are you going to get your products from? So here's a few different options. For one, you have AliExpress. AliExpress is good for testing, but shipping to Australia can be pretty slow, sometimes maybe 2 to 3 weeks slow. Then we have AutoDS. AutoDS has private suppliers and suppliers in Australia that we work with exclusively. Some products, they ship in under a week. Also, if you're using AutoDS, you can automate your tracking numbers, your order fulfillment, and you can even give virtual assistants exclusive access to certain features in the system so they can help you reply back to your customers. Then you have another one called catch.com.au. It's a big Aussie retailer. You can flip some stuff from there. Amazon AU, of course, super fast shipping. Make sure you use Fulfilled by AutoDS to help you actually fulfill products from there so your Amazon account doesn't get banned. Then you have Kogan. It's another local site with some pretty solid stock. Look for terms like ships from Australia, or AU warehouse. Those are pretty much golden keywords that you're looking for whenever you're looking for any other suppliers. Remember, faster shipping equals less stress for you and your customers. Okay, so now you need a place to sell. You've got two main options for this. You have Shopify or eBay Australia. Shopify, for the most part, is going to be best for branding. You can create your own website, make it look clean, and run your own ads. It's great if you want long-term growth and loyal customers. Now, if you've never created an online store before, don't worry, we got you. You can now use AI to create your entire dropshipping store using the AutoDS AI-generated pre-built Shopify stores. They're made with a converting design in the niche that you choose. So this even makes it easier for you to get started and test multiple niches before you decide to settle down on one or two. Not only do they come pre-built, but they also come preloaded with over 10 proven trending dropshipping products that you can get started dropshipping immediately. Plus, it connects directly to AutoDS, so you can really just automate everything. You can be almost totally hands-off at this point. Now, eBay Australia is great if you don't really want to deal with ads. They already have traffic. You just list your stuff and you optimize your titles. Now, the only downside is that it's a lot more competitive and you can't really brand as much. If you're brand new, start on eBay and test. If you want full control and higher margins, go to Shopify. And remember, use trust badges, add a FAQ or frequently asked questions section, set clear return policies, and use real photos or mockups, not just AliExpress ones. Getting these done now is easier than ever. You can use ChatGPT to change the background of any product photo, or simply just add an influencer to the photo or using the photo. AI has come a long way. And if you want to learn a lot more about how you can create your own custom images with AI or your product images with AI, then check out this video right here. In it, I explain everything that you need to know about that. All right, so now the burning question, how do we get customers? Well, you don't need $1,000 ad budget to get customers. Here's what works in Australia. For one, I mean, it works everywhere, but TikTok organic videos. Use trending sounds and show how your product works. Show it in action. Add some cute pups or some kids into it. Then you have Instagram Reels, same thing, just 10 to 20 second clips. Pinterest, yes, Pinterest actually works, especially for home and beauty stuff. I highly suggest you start to learn about Pinterest because it's a whole other beast on its own. And then of course, SEO. Make sure that your titles and your descriptions include keywords that people are actually searching for. Use terms like AU shipping or ships from Sydney, stuff like that. Also, Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, it still hits locally. And you can dropship still through Facebook Marketplace. Now, later on, if you're ready to scale, you can start to run Facebook and Instagram ads targeting cities like Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane. Did I pronounce that right? And anyway, any other cities with the biggest buyers. All right, so let's run it back one more time. Dropshipping in Australia is legit. It's 100% legal. You need an ABN and you need to register for the GST after $75,000 in yearly revenue, or Australian dollars. You also have to follow the Australian consumer law, protect buyers and yourself, sell products Aussies are actually into, use local suppliers for fast shipping, set up a store on either Shopify or eBay. Of course, market smart. You don't need to spend big to just get started, and automate with AutoDS so you can scale without burning out. Okay, so if this helped you out, hit that like button so the algorithm shows it to a lot more legends. Drop a comment and tell me what niche you're thinking of selling in. I would love to hear what your thoughts are on this and where your business is headed. And don't forget to subscribe for more dropshipping game tutorials and really anything that you need to know to stay updated in the e-commerce space. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. My name is Mario with AutoDS, and I'll catch you all next time.